parents, so you're gonna draw a sea turtle.
We hope you have your drawing supplies all ready and you're gonna follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with, and we have marker paper to draw on. And what did we name our little turtle?
Shelly.
Shelly. And she's learning how to swim. She's got her little floaties and also some goggles. You ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw Shelly's nose. Well, kind of nostrils. We're gonna draw two little dots. And we could also turn this into a smiley face. That's not her face, that's just her nostrils, in case you were wondering. Okay, now we're gonna draw the goggles. We're gonna draw a circle over here. We're gonna draw a big circle. And then we're gonna draw a big circle over here. Yeah. I think it's kind of funny that Shelly has goggles because she's a turtle. She can see underwater.
She doesn't need any goggles.
Yeah, she's a little worried. She's nervous. She's learning how to swim. Okay, and then we can draw another circle that's smaller inside on both circles. Ooh, that one got a little bumpy. That's okay. And then we're going to draw a big strap that goes over the nose. We'll draw two curves going over the nose. Okay, and then also two rectangle shapes on each side for the strap that goes around her head. Okay, we got to draw her eyes inside. Let's draw big, well, small circles that fit inside of her goggles. There you go, and one more. And then we can draw the little highlight or that smaller circle inside on the top left, and then color in the big circle. Well, it's not really big, but the big circle for the eye.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now let's draw, oh yeah, the other side too. There you go. Okay, now let's draw her head. We're gonna start up here and we can draw a rainbow line for the top. We're gonna start on the left side for the strap, or next to the strap, and then connect over to the other strap. And then we can draw the bottom of her head curving around for her cheeks and chin. She already looks like a turtle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure she does.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna draw her little shell just curving out to the side. We're gonna start on her chin or cheek, and we're gonna just draw two curves coming out on each side. Yes. And then we're gonna draw her floaty. We're gonna draw a curve here, and we can draw a curve over here, and it comes up to higher on her cheek. Yes. And then we can draw another curve right next to it that's kind of smaller, so we'll leave some space, but curves the same direction. Yes, okay, now out of this curve right here is her fin. So we're gonna start here and we're gonna draw it curving out and down, and then we can curve back in. I'm gonna do an S curve for the bottom one. It might look a little confusing, but it'll make sense once we keep going. Okay, we're gonna do the same and try to match on the side. So curve down, and then we're gonna curve back in with an S curve.
Oh, that one
Yes.
got very
I like it.
curvy.
Yeah, super curvy.
Yes.
We're gonna draw the top of the floaty. We're gonna curve out of here, and then we're gonna connect into the fin. See how it looks 3D and looks like it's wrapping around her fin. And then we can repeat the same over here. Curve into the top of the fin, and then curve into the bottom of the fin. Now it looks like floaties. Okay, next we can draw her shell. And Shelly, we're gonna draw a curve coming in or out of the head and into the floaty. It's actually going behind the floaty, and then the same on this side. Okay, and then for the bottom of her shell, or the belly part of her body, we're gonna start on the floaty here, and we're gonna curve over under and then back up to the other floaty. And then also her little neck line or curve kind of looks like she's wearing a swimsuit.
Oh, yeah.
Then we can draw her back fins, and we're going to draw a curve. Looks like a leaf. So we'll curve down and to the left, and then we'll curve back up and into her shell. And then the same, repeat the same shape on the other side. Then we can also continue her shell between the floaty and her back fin, and the same on the right. And then right here, I'm gonna imagine this going through and coming over to the other side. Yeah, we did it. We finished drawing Shelly. She looks really cute, except we still need to.
Color her.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, but at the end, if you wanna match our same coloring, you can pause the video. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Shelly, and she turned out so cute, especially like your pink goggles and the eyelashes.
Yes, it's so cute.
We also added shading and some spots. I added the spots. Oh, you left those off, which is cool because our art friends could also change their color.
Yeah, and add a background. We added bubbles.
Yeah, and you could draw more turtles learning how to swim.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Shelly.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. I'm sure they turned out awesome. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but yours is my favorite. The most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.